In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable your game bar in Windows 10. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to your Start menu, go to your Settings, and once in your Settings, click on Gaming. And right here, it'll say Record Game Clips, Screenshots, and Broadcast using Game Bar. You're going to go ahead and click on this so it switches to off. And by doing this, it's going to disable the game bar. Now, if you're using a third-party program to stream or record your video games, I would highly suggest you disable the game DVR as well. And you can do that by going to game DVR here on the left side. And make sure that it says recording in the background while I'm playing a game. Make sure that it says off and it's not actually on, because this can also hinder the performance of your games. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below. If not, and you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like. Thank you for watching.